guys, it's me, the curly-haired YouTuber, and today we're going to be learning how to count by 3. So we're going to do a trick to make it super easy for all of you at home. So yeah, let's just begin. Alright, so over here, I'm going to sit on this little fluffy little guy thing. So yeah, yep, there. So now we're going to learn the 3's table trick. So let's begin. So first, you have to do is, what you're going to do is write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there. So you are going to want to do it on the side because we'll need some more space for what we're going to do next. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put a 1 on each of these, and then 2. And now look, we're counting by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and then last is 30. Isn't this a cool tweak? It helps you count by 3. So do not go and do not scream because we have some more fun things that you need to watch. So yeah, start watching now. Alright, now's the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, the bell notification, or else the spider will go on you at night. Bye!